Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your out of office on ClickUp. Once you're in ClickUp, simply click your profile in the upper right hand side and click in set status. Here you'll have a few pre-filled ones, and as you can see, one of them is saying vacation out of office, right? If you're not seeing this, you can easily set this by simply start typing whatever status that you want. So you could say vacation or as well, or you can say gym or whatever it is, right? So in this case, I'm gonna just choose the vacation here. And as you can see, it gives me the option now to basically choose for how long. You can even set a custom time and date. So if you were on vacation from say today till, let's say, for 1 week until the 22, you can go ahead and set that. And as you can see, it is set for 6 days and it now shows the out of office. Now let me go ahead and cancel this. Now if I don't have this, or if you're not seeing this, and you can say, for example, lunch. Let's say you want to put your you set it for a lunch out of office. You can just simple type lunch, for example, and you can go ahead and choose, say your lunch is 30 minutes. You can say 30 minutes or 1 hour. Let's put 1 hour, and you can also set it out of office right there. And just basically, you can even put an emoji right there and find something for food. I don't know if it's going to find food. So yes, for example, it's showing food right here. You can just choose whatever. I'm gonna choose maybe pizza, for example, right? And let's say you're on lunch, you set a pizza and you click and save. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you set your out of office. So whenever someone checked your status, they will see that you're out of office for 1 hour, and it will show basically the what it is. It will show the time. It will show the emoji if you set it, and this will basically put you back online right after. If you want to cancel it for yourself, you can also go ahead and cancel it. You can always edit it as well, as you can see the pencil icon showing here, or you can clear it. It's really up to you. But that's pretty much it, guys.